Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Panasonic headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily pair your headphones with your Android device. So as you can see, here are these headphones, and at first we have to enter settings. Now we have to enter connected devices and here pair new device. Now we have to hold this button over here for at least 7-8 seconds until you see this button blinking blue and red, as you can see now. Now we are in Bluetooth pairing mode, and as you can see, these are our headphones RB-M700BE. Now we have to tap pair, and now we are done. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.